Undocking confirmed. Endeavour begins its journey home with the Crew-11 crew. Undocking
Dragon
confirmed.
SpaceX, separation confirmed. Separation confirmed.
A good undocking burn, 4:20 p.m. Central Time, 5:20 p.m. Eastern Time for undocking. About a 10.5-hour journey to a splashdown off the coast of San Diego in the wee hours Thursday morning.
Splashdown of Crew-11. After 167 days in space, Dragon and NASA astronauts Zena Cardman and Mike Fink, Kim Yayoi of JAXA, and Roscosmos cosmonaut Oleg Platonov are back on Earth.
Dragon SpaceX, we see splashdown.
SpaceX Dragon, copy, concur, splashdown, and mains are cut. We are in 4.800.